Today, in a major Supreme Court decision, justices ruled federal prosecutors overreached when they charged hundreds of people who rioted on January 6th at the U.S. Capitol with obstruction.
ABC's M. Wynn has you covered on how the decision effectively makes it more difficult to prosecute some January 6th rioters and what it means for those who have already been prosecuted.
The case was brought by former Pennsylvania police officer Joseph Fisher, who entered the Capitol on January 6th and was charged with obstruction of an official proceeding. In the consequential 6-3 decision, justices limiting what type of charges can be brought against January 6 defendants, specifically the obstruction statute used by federal prosecutors under a 2002 financial crimes law applying to evidence tampering.
There needs to be, again, a connection to the destruction of records and documents, not just, blocking a proceeding.
In an unusual ideological alliance, conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett joined two liberal justices, Sonia Sotomayor and Elena Kagan, in dissenting, writing statutes often go further than the problem that inspired them. This decision undercuts hundreds of the Justice Department's charges against pro-Trump rioters who physically tried to stop Congress from certifying the 2020 election results. The former president taking to social media today to call this decision a massive victory for J6 political prisoners. Attorney General Merrick Garland says the ruling will not impact the vast majority of 1,400 January 6 related criminal cases, and he will continue to use all available tools to hold accountable those criminally responsible.
So these people, if this is their only charge, I think they're going to sort of be free of the criminal justice system. 2 of the 4 counts against Donald Trump are under this particular law.
We'll learn the fate of that election interference case here at the Supreme Court on Monday. Justices set to rule whether a former president has absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts taken while in office. I'm Wynn, ABC News at the Supreme Court.